In this video, we will be sharing all of our tips and tricks with the Lovense Lush 3 and how to use. The Lovense Lush 3 is a vibrating egg and an updated version of the Lovense Lush 2. This is a great vibrating egg and there is so much more to it than just vibrations. As you can see, the Lush 3 has a beautiful pink colour which makes it stand out from your average vibrating egg. In addition, the Lush 3 is much quieter than its previous versions, so you can use this in public and no one will know. The new design of the Lovense Lush 3 pays attention to your G-spot in particular, providing more intense and deeper vibrations. The material of the Lovense Lush 3 is made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin. As well as this, it's also 100% waterproof, so you can use this in the bath or shower. Now it's time to install the Lovense app and pair your Lovense Lush 3 with your phone. Simply download the Lovense Lush app using your app store with iOS or Android. Once you've downloaded the Lovense Lush app, simply press and hold on the Lovense Lush 3's tail like so, and it will give a little buzz. Once the buzz is on, it will have a light which flashes. Once you're in the app, at the top right hand of the screen, it will have a plus button. Click on that and it will take you to add a toy. Once you're through to that and you found the Lovense Lush 3, simply click plus and then select done. Then your toy is fully connected. The Lovense Lush 3 can now be controlled via the app. If you're in a long distance relationship, you can use the Lovense Lush 3 for long distance relationships as well as using the app. To connect to the app with your partner, it's very simple and easy to do. In the menu at the bottom, there is a tab called Long Distance. Simply click on that to start. Next, it will pop up with Login. Simply hit Login, either sign up or enter your login details. Once you've done that step, click on the plus icon to add your contact. Then enter their username and click Add. It's as simple as that. Once your partner has accepted the request, the name will pop up here. And then you can enjoy all the fun through long distance. Next, let's set your vibration mode. When your Lovense Lush 3 has successfully paired with the app, click on the Lovense Lush 3 itself with the little pink icon and click on My Toys. Click on the Program button to see all the settings. Then you can click on the Adjust Levels button to adjust the settings to your preferred one. You can also click on the Pattern button and use a preset pattern. All you need to do is log in and find your ideal pattern. Connecting the Lush 3 to Spotify is really simple and easy. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded Spotify. This can be done via the Android or iOS. The next step is really important. Make sure you have a premium account with Spotify, otherwise the Lovense Lush cannot connect without a premium account. Next, open the Lovense Lush app and click on the Music tab. Once you're in the Music tab, there will be a Spotify tab. Click on that. Then simply click to log into your Spotify account. Once you've done this, click the Login to Spotify account. Select OK to sync your Lovense Lush to the Spotify account. If all of those steps went correctly, it should now appear in your Music tab that all your Spotify playlists and music will be there. You can now use your Spotify playlists with your Lovense Lush 3. If you have also successfully paired the app, it will automatically connect to your iOS library. Here you can do the exact same thing, pick your favourite song and enjoy the vibrations. Simply click on My Library, which is directly next to the Spotify tab in Music. You can also create your own vibration mode. To do this, click on the Patterns tab on the main menu screen. When you step into the My Patterns tab, you'll see there are 4 options to choose from: Wave, Pulse, Earthquake and Firework. You can choose any of those 4 patterns and enjoy the fantastic vibrations from the Lovense Lush 3, or alternatively you can also create your own pattern. Simply click on the plus button and you can create your own pattern using the little dot on the screen. You'll get a Choose Your Feature pop-up where it says 1 vibrator, 2 vibrators, etc. Click on the 1 vibrator and you're ready to go. You can choose how you want to use your pattern, using a float or a loop pattern. Simply drag the little small circle on the screen around the rest of the screen and enjoy making your own pattern. When you have created your own ideal vibration mode, you can save it and even name it so you can find your pattern even more easily next time. Once that's done and you've named your new vibration pattern, the new pattern will appear in your My Pattern on the front screen. You can even use sound control with the Lovense Lush 3. It's very sensitive to the smallest of noises. The Lush 3 can vibrate based on the sounds of the environment. The louder the sound, the more intense of the vibration. Now, a little tip, the microphone is very sensitive, so make sure you don't do it overly loud for your first go. To use sound control, go to your main menu and click on Sound. Once there, a sound menu will appear showing a dB level. This is to determine how loud it is. Now remember, the microphone is sensitive, so it will pick up even the softest of sounds in your environment. You can lower the sound sensitivity using the pink and purple bar below. Simply use your finger and drag it up or down depending on how intense you'd like the sound to be. All you need to do is simply speak into the microphone and decide how intense you want the vibrations to be. You can also use the remote control option. This is really simple and easy to use. Simply go to the main menu and you'll see at the very top of the screen, Remote Control. Click on that and let's get started. As with the Create Your Own Pattern button, this is simply to create your own vibrations in a slightly different way. The difference with this page is that it has an extra button, meaning you can enjoy extra fun sensations. You will now see a line with vibrations and 3 buttons on the right hand side. If you've made your own vibration pattern before, this will look familiar to you. You can use the float, loop, or traditional buttons in order to make your own personal vibration patterns. If you use the button upwards, the vibrations become more intense. If you push the button down, it becomes less intense, so you can decide which intensity is best for you. You can even set an alarm using the Lovense Lush app for your toy to start vibrating for you. When the alarm goes off, your Lovense Lush 3 will set off with the pre-decided vibration pattern, which makes it all the more exciting. Patterns shared by you with other users can also be found here. So, Step 1. Using the home screen, you can find the alarm button on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Click on that. Once you're through, simply click on New Alarm and select the alarm any way you want. There are many different settings, including type, alarm type, duration, and many more. Simply fill in the details yourself and decide which one's best for you. Your alarm is now set for you when you least expect it. We hope to have informed you well enough during this video. And of course, if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of us. We'll be happy to help you. Enjoy all the tips and tricks we've shared with you today and enjoy your Lovense Lush 3.